Hi, I'm Peter Britt from TOOLKit magazine, and I'm sure some of the older people amongst you must remember the good old days, in inverted commas, of the sharpening saw. Not something I did very often, something I really hated, something that really was quite difficult to get properly right. However, with the invention of the Hardpoint Saw, and they have the Hardpoint revolution, and that brings us neatly to these Spear & Jackson Predator saws. I've got three of them. A bow saw, a second fixed saw, and a first fixed saw. The first thing you'll notice is that we get them out of the wraps, which is actually quite a good. It forms quite a good sleeve, so you could actually use that to protect the blade, you know, while it's in your toolbox. And I think if we should really try and see if we can get a bit of a close-up on here, and you look at that tooth grind, and you'll see that it's very, very complicated. As you can see, it's all been tempered. You can see the blue line of the tempering. That's a Hardpoint saw. Nice comfortable handle, set at a decent angle. The other thing that I noticed straight away is that slightly thicker steel on that than some of the competitors. So you don't get that sort of horrible whip as you're cutting. It actually stays nice and straight and true, making it much easier to cut a straight line. Standard business of a 90 degree and a 45 degree mark, so that'll give you a rough measurement. It's not 100% accurate, but it's close enough for a lot of carpentry jobs. And finally, we come to the Predator bow saw. As you can see, that's got very substantial teeth, very simple teeth mechanism, and really that's meant for very fast cutting. And this one would be equally at home on the work site, as well as pruning trees. Very important for me is that it's got a hand guard there to protect your hands from those teeth. And another easy feature is the blade tightening there, so you can just give it a nice big tension. Obviously, you'll loosen it off when you're not using it. So nice, substantial frame. It's not going to bend, and could be pretty useful around the place.
If you like the look of the Predator Saw series, then head over to the product page below on the TOOLKit website. To keep up with all the latest tool reviews, then make sure to subscribe to our channel now, and we'll see you guys next time.